Hi everyone, hope y'all are doing well. So today I'm going to read A Mammoth in the Fridge. This is a really cute book and I think you'll really enjoy it. A Mammoth in the Fridge. Dad, there's a mammoth in the fridge. Don't be silly, Noah. Come and eat your fries. Dad, it's true. Look. Ah! Keep it away, son. It might bite. Sweetheart, call the fire department. Morning, ma'am. We're here for the mammoth. Oh, please, come in. Okay. Are you ready? 1, 2. Three. Whoops. Catch it. Quickly. Clop, 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 clop. Clip, clop. Well, what now? Be patient. It'll have to come down eventually. Huh. We could be here till fall. Sorry, guys. We gotta go. Come on. It's not our problem. Here, kitty, kitty. Look at these yummy carrots. Come on. Up you come. That's it. Shh. Don't wake Mom and Dad. Elisa's room. Do not enter. I'm warning you. This is the last time I'll save you. You'll get us all in trouble with your silly nonsense. The end. I hope y'all liked that story. I always love reading that one. And tomorrow we're going to read another mammoth theme bedtime story. Night, guys. I miss y'all.